वादी साहब।
Hello there, I'm Dr. Purva and welcome back to the channel. We are up here for one of the most exciting adventurous part of the trip of Oman, which is the Wadi Shab. So we have booked a tour from Get Your Guide. As usual, we trust Get Your Guide a lot. So from that we have booked a tour for Wadi Shab and Biwa Sinkhole, which is a day tour where we will be now transferred to the boat. From boat we'll go towards those palm trees. So basically ये crossing रहेगा. ये crossing के बाद you have to hike for around 30 to 45 minutes and then you have two of the Wadi Sabs basically. It is suggested ठीक ठाक swim आता है या swim नहीं आता है, just get this life jackets, very important. If you are a pro swimmer then it's fine, otherwise I would suggest ये ले लो. It's upon you if you want to wear it or not. Again, and then the last one is एक बहुत पतली सी narrow सी area आएगी, वहाँ से you have to cross and then you get into the caves and there you get the waterfalls. And we booked from Get Your Guide. We also booked for free phone cases and the life jacket. अगर आप नहीं बुक करते हो, I think we did not get any extra charge. वही charge में था, but you have to say earlier. Here, if you come 1 riyal, which is 225 rupees के around, you will get this life jacket and 1 riyal for phone cover. Phone cover आपको कहीं भी मिल जाएगा, इंडिया वगैरह से भी you can bring. You can also come by yourselves, but then you need the international driving license permit and all of that. So we did not have that. Otherwise, अगर आप यहाँ पे आते हो तो अभी तो यहाँ पे कोई entry fees नहीं है. Future में they can. You have to just come by your car. You can rent it in 1 riyal and I think boat का then you have to pay I think 1 riyal के around something, not too much, but then everything is free. But just because car नहीं था तो we did book the tour and obviously it's a guided tour, so will be, you know, it would be more easy for us जब हम वादी साहब में अंदर ट्रायल करेंगे. There will be person who will help us. So that's it. Now I think we'll move towards the boat.
It's 1.5 meters. Then if you cross it, you will see the cave. Inside the cave, a waterfall. From here to the restaurant, 5 minutes only. Anyone vegetarian?
Yeah.
Want to? Okay, only 2.
Go to my friends.
Wait. Look at this wadis around. And definitely बहुत तेज धूप है. So sunscreen is your best friend over here. Do not forget to apply it and also carry it with you. अभी तक I think हम लोगों ने शायद 10-15 minutes ही walk किया है. And yes, hoping it comes soon. So finally we have reached to the point where we can go into water. और जो ट्रैक था बिल्कुल भी इजी नहीं था.
It was fine, medium enough.
मतलब एक्चुअली मीडियम था बट धूप इतनी ज़्यादा है.
Also you don't require any guide. मतलब पूरा वे है, बहुत सारे लोग चलते रहते हैं तो आप खुद से भी आ सकते हो.
Basically if you have car then it's all good to go. तुम पूरा खुद से कर सकते हो. Now I'm really tired. बहुत ज़्यादा धूप है. जून जुलाई सितंबर में गलती से भी मत आना. It is going to be crazy. And this is how the pool looks. We have just changed. हमने यहाँ पे साइड पर बैग्स वगैरह रखे हैं. So basically it's all safe over here. There's no issue like that. And we have just carried our slippers. Show your slippers. That's mine.
And let's move.
And let's go down to the pool. All set.
एक डेढ़ घंटा लग रहा है. इससे तो अपना स्विमिंग पूल होता है.
मुझे मुंह नहीं गिला करना.
आते करोगे क्या?
अरे बाप रे, बहुत ही आता.
हाँ हाँ.
बड़ा पत्थर है. So you need to walk a lot from the waters. बहुत छोटा है. So we are about to pass the narrow area. Super excited.
Turn on this side. Turn. This is easier. Like this.
Like this. Okay. It's blue water. It's blue water. Go. How it was? Now coming more.
Finally we did it. Woohoo! Oman. So this is a high society auntie जिसको यहाँ चिल्लाने भी जान पे आ रही है. We are loving it. Woohoo! He has just had his lunch and we are still hungry. Quick review about the Wadi Saab. It was really good, too adventurous, and that was really good. ऐसे एकदम ज़्यादा cold नहीं, एकदम ज़्यादा warm नहीं. Other than that, yes, you can go yourself as well.
It's must do if you're in Oman.
Yes. And one more thing, just a tip, अगर आपको easily float करना है तो return आते वक्त उल्टा float करो. It just gets easy.
And do carry life jacket. आप कितने बच्चे swimmer होंगे? We have seen 1 or 2 people like because काफी देर तक करना पड़ता है तुम्हें swim. It's better you carry life jacket. चीज़ें easy हो जाती है. नहीं लगा तो खोल देना.
बीच में ना पत्थर वगैरह भी आते हैं तो it's like कार भी तुम्हारा बैलेंस जा रहा है तो it's like you get panicked and then बैलेंस चला ही जाता है फिर वो 2 मीटर का पानी भी क्यों ना हो.
True.
So that's that. We did lunch, which was biryani.
No, like
Biryani kind of rice and some sabzi and यहाँ का रोटी. हाँ, that's true. और हम लोग को रात में पता चलेगा कि हमारे कितने हाथ पैर दर्द करने वाले. बहुत स्विम किया है, बहुत वॉक किया है. Now we are here at Bhima Sinkhole. Again, it's free of charge. If you want to come, you can come yourself as well. ये सारी स्टेप्स हमको क्लाइंब करके नीचे जाना है। एंड यहाँ पे एकदम जैसे सिंक होल दिखता है वैसे एकदम डीप नहीं है शुरुआत से ही, सो इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ बीच वाले स्टेप्स है, तो थोड़ा थोड़ा आप जा सकते हो एंड देन इट्स गेट डीप। ऑब्वियसली वाटर शूज अगेन हियर इट्स मस्ट बिकॉज आई थिंक यहाँ पे प्रॉन्स वगैरह है एंड अगेन थोड़ा अनइवन सरफेस तो है ही। काफ़ी लोग यहाँ पे नीचे जा ही नहीं रहे, आई डोंट नो व्हाई, बट आई थिंक दैट्स अ प्लस पॉइंट कि हम लोगों को भीड़ नहीं मिलेगी फॉर पिक्चर्स। एंड वादी साहब तो इतना बड़ा है, हम लोगों को काफ़ी टाइम मिला। इनफैक्ट इन द केव ऑल्सो, केव के रास्ते में भी वी वर चिलिंग क्वाइट अ लॉट, इतना टाइम मिल गया। सो येस, ट्राई किया मॉर्निंग में वो वाला ले लो वादी साहब एंड देन इवनिंग में बीमा सिंक होल। दिस इज व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक। सो इट इज सेड कि यहाँ पे कुछ तो गिरा था एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, बहुत अलग अलग स्टोरीज है। एंड देन ऐसे काफ़ी सारे होल्स यहाँ पर है, बट दिस वन हैज़ वाटर एंड जब थोड़ा अच्छे से धूप होती है तो इसके शेड्स बहुत अच्छे दिखते हैं। ऑल्सो नो जंपिंग इज़ अलाउड ओवर योर एंड आई वुड सजेस्ट कि शूज़ की जगह सीधा वाटर शूज़ पहन के आ जाओ यहाँ पे, सो इट जस्ट गेट्स ईजी। एंड आई थिंक नाउ आई विल कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन द सिंक होल। So we are here at Bima Sink Hole, as you can see, and यहाँ पे काफ़ी हद तक you can walk nicely. There are stones and all. Just wear water slippers as I did. And if you are a very good swimmer, you can go inside, or you need a life jacket. And then you can go inside, and it's quite salty. अभी थोड़ा सा मेरे को यहाँ पे drop हुआ, तो it's a salty water. So it's upon you if you want to swim. Also, there are lots of fishes floating over here in the water right now wherever I am standing. सब जगह पे fishes है छोटी छोटी, but they are harmless. And I would say this is less crowded because काफ़ी सारे लोग यहाँ पे उतर ही नहीं रहे। As you can see पीछे लोग तो काफ़ी सारे हैं, but there are very few people who are actually getting down. So you can get good pictures, and if you are a good swimmer, you can enjoy the swim as well.
Kind of natural swimming pool basically.
Yeah, it's a natural salty water swimming pool, I would say. So it was definitely worth, and we are sitting in this center, I would say. सामने भी we have water, पीछे also we have water. So it was definitely worth it and a must do. Also steps बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है, I'll show you. तो पहले लग रहा था बहुत ज़्यादा steps है, but around 25 to 30 steps होगा, and it's easy to come down and enjoy.